Hello students, my name is Sunil and today I am going to discuss about the types of communication. So communication is very important in the hospitality industry. Communication is nothing but it's an exchange of information. And so many types of communication you must have heard, must have listened to someone else. So I will just start discussing with you. The first one is verbal communication. So verbal communication. In verbal communication, the first is face to face. Face to face means आमने सामने. So it's a direct conversation between individual. So like दो आदमी आमने सामने बैठे हैं तो अगर बात करते हैं, it is called face to face. बिल्कुल आमने सामने. So the first is face to face, means direct conversation between individuals, and the second is phone calls. You must have listened. Everybody is calling and talking to each other. It's a conversation over the phone. There are two people calling and talking to each other. Whatever the topic is, this will come in phone calls in verbal communication. The third is video conferencing. So nowadays everyone is calling and chatting through video. So virtual meeting. This is called virtual meeting using video technology. In video conferencing, it's a virtual meeting. Okay. And the fourth is meeting. Meeting is also a type of communication. A group discussion to share the information or make decision, or some conference is going on, so that all the staff are discussing on some particular topic in the meeting or the conference. These things come in meetings. So after verbal communication, we will discuss about the non-verbal communication. In the non-verbal communication means we cannot. In non-verbal communication, there are 2-3 things come in the non-verbal, just like some body language, eye contact, tone of voice, proximity. So these are comes in the non-verbal communication. Body language means the facial expression, posture, the way you sit, the way you express yourself. These are comes in the body language. You have gestures and eye contact. Eye contact is how the way you contact. It's direct or indirect contact. Yes. And the tone of voice means where the pitch, volume, and inflection, where you have to use, you should know. And the third is written communication. Written communication is that communication, we pass the message through communication. Written. So this can be email, letters, reports, memos. In the emails, it's electronic message sent via emails. Nowadays everybody is using all the offices and everything, all the messages. It's an official message. Most of the offices are using email just to send the information or anything, whatever you want. Either you are doing email or letters. Letter is a formal or informal written messages. Nowadays, very less nowadays. A reports, detailed document providing information or analysis. So it happens when you sit in the meeting with the management or the corporate office. They ask for the reports. You have to submit. Everything should be written in the proper details should be there in the reports. Memo is actually the internal messages. In the hotel industry, sometimes this job is done by the bill desk boy. Memo and paging and all these things are done through the bill desk boy. If you will be taking classes of front office, you will come to know. And then comes the visual communication. In visual communication means आंखों से देख सकते हैं, जिससे जो दिखता है, मीन्स इमेजेस, फोटोग्राफ्स, डायग्राम्स, we can understand the things. So this is the types of question I have discussed. From tomorrow we'll discuss some more topic on this.